Hi everyone, my name's Chad. Chad does everything, and part of my everything is I run a food trailer. I was just recently contacted by a gentleman online, and he asked me if I'd be willing to test out a product that he has. I was super Larry. I'm always concerned, always thinking about scams and whatnot. And the guy was like, I don't need no financial information or anything. Just give me your name and address and I'll ship this product to you. And I'm like, yeah, sure, okay. So I went along with it. Don't mind me because Chad does everything. I'm working in my metal fabrication shop today. Anyways, UPS just dropped a box off to me. And yes, I already opened it to see what it was. But anyways, I opened the box, and within the box, I have, well, I guess it's going to be backwards. I have this fan, waistband. It has 4 speeds, and I will find the link on Amazon, and I will post a link in the description if you're interested. But I sweat. Anything over 65 degrees, I sweat. I'm not gonna lie, I sweat. I can be sitting on my back porch sipping tea and I sweat. So if you can just imagine inside my food trailer, when I have the pizza oven going, the flat top going, some warmers going, it gets hot in there. It gets really hot in there. I usually don't run the pizza oven when it gets above 90 degrees. When we have this out and it's above 90 degrees, it's usually about 120 degrees in there. And that's even with the side door open, the back door, which is the full tilt down door. And then I got the serving window, and it still gets that hot in there. Anyways, flip this back. I haven't really ever done a product review before, but there's a couple different things. You can read the back. And then the side. I pulled it. My initial thoughts on this was like, okay, this isn't gonna be. This is gonna be a slight, just a slight little wind. Like I could blow harder than what it can put out, but yeah, I already pulled it out and tried it. And anyways, there's the clip for clipping it for a safety clip. You get the fan, and then you get the instructions, and the fan is rechargeable. You get a cord with it as well. I don't have a holder for my phone. Trying to be careful here so this doesn't fall on the ground. But you get a clip on both sides, so you can put this in either direction. It already comes with a charge. You push and hold for a few seconds. Green light comes on. There's a little fan down in there. It's sucking from that direction. It actually blows. I mean, it's significant. And there's four settings on this. I'm not sure. Like I said, you can see the light. You can see it's blinking. It must need to be charged up, but I don't know. Maybe the instructions might say how long it lasts. But my initial thoughts of it is I'm thoroughly impressed by the amount of airflow. Oh, yeah, it does. There's information here. But I'm thoroughly impressed at the quality of the feel. I actually, at first, because there's a charging plug that I really like. I'm not going to say the name because I'm not going to give them free advertisement. But there's a charging plug that I get that I really like. And for some reason I thought I had, they accidentally sent me a second one after I received my other one the other day. The reason why I bought the first one was because I had bought a drone, and I needed a plug to go with my drone. And then I ended up getting a second one because I liked the first one so much. Anyways, the waistband, I would, so far without testing it long term, the waistband, a 10 out of a 10, just because of the power that it has, the feel, its quality. I really like it. And like I said, I will put a link in the description. Anyways, that's that. I rambled for going on 7 minutes now. You all have a great day. I got to get back to work in the metal shop. And catch you on a flip-flop. God bless.